So Itel released a new set of devices in their S series, which are the S15 and the S15 Pro, on August 2019 and has been on sale. So in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and full review of the Itel S15. Now let's get straight to the unboxing of this device. Inside the box, we have the phone itself. Let's keep that aside. Inside the bottom compartment, we have the 5-volt power brick, headphone, micro USB cable, transparent plastic case with the necessary cutout, and a 3000 mAh removable battery. The Itel S15 comes with a dewdrop notch, which is the first from this brand with such a feature. Not only does this phone feature a notch, but it also the first Itel phone with Google Gallery Go pre-installed. That is quite interesting. The Itel S15 flaunts a big dewdrop notch, 6.1-inch HD plus IPS LCD display. That is way too long, with a resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels and an aspect ratio of 19.5 by 9 that offers enough screen to enjoy your favorite movies and latest music video. For those that are familiar with the Itel phones, you must have noticed that most of their phones are made of plastic, and the Itel S15 is not an exception to this. The dual camera sensors are vertically arranged at the right hand side, just like the Itel P33 camera, with an LCD flash just below the camera setup. Although we have here is a rear fingerprint scanner, which is cool considering the price range of this device. In terms of camera, the Itel S15 comes with the dual camera setup, housing an 8MP main camera, another 8MP with an LED flash. The front hosts a 16 megapixel selfie shooter for good quality selfie shots. For power, the 3000 mAh battery on board is below what I really expect for such a device on that price range. The battery is a removable LiPo battery with no fast charging technology, but when fully charged, it could last for a day on average heavy use. The Itel S15 is powered by a quad-core processor clocked at 1.3 GHz with a Unisoc SC7731E chipset. For graphics, the Mali 400MP2 GPU handles that department. The phone boasts of 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage that is expandable to 64 GB via SD card. Software-wise, this latest Android smartphone runs Android 9 Pie Go edition out of the box. There's also a Google Gallery Go app pre-installed to help in delivering the best selfie experience. The Itel S15 is priced at 23,400 in Nigeria, which is approximately $64.80. The phone is now available in Nigerian market and can be purchased in various online and offline stores. My variant of the Itel S15 is the red gradient. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about the Itel S15 in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.